My name is Leon Scammahorn, CEO of Interspace Systems Corporation. Today I'll be demonstrating how to assemble the Manta Lung onto the Meg CCR. The parts I have in front of me to start off with is the gas plenum canister with the bottom facing away from me and the single tank adapter facing in the up position. First, we'll go ahead and assemble the cylinders onto the gas plenum canister using the shadow mounts. You see how easy those go on. All right, next I'll go ahead and put the first stage assemblies onto the system. Each pneumatic assembly has a manual gas bypass. This is the diluent. It says DIL. The oxygen will be labeled the same way. Your manual bypass is in this push button right here. Next, I'll go to the Manta Lung and I'll place it over the single tank adapter. Some parts on the counterlung itself is you have a tail and you have a variety of holes here for adjustment onto the STA and to fit the diver. I prefer to use the second hole here. Also on the Manta Lung, you have on each side 3 of these keeper straps. And you have a plastic keeper on this side. These straps are designed to go over the shoulder harness. And you want the shoulder harness to go against the material with the shoulder strap to go through the keeper and over on itself, just like that, with the shoulder strap going in between. I'll go ahead and place the Manta Lung onto the STA bolts. And I'll just lay it down. Next, I'll go ahead and put the BC on. And the backplate assembly. Okay, I'll straighten out the shoulder straps. On this shoulder strap system we have here, I've got the D-rings for mounting your stages. And I've got these 2 keeper straps here for the stainless D-rings that are on the Manta Lung. They will be used to secure the front of the Manta Lung down. I'll go ahead and support the Manta Lung on my chest. In this case, I'll take the left strap. And I'll go ahead and I'll start with the bottom keeper strap. And I'll start putting it together. And I'll just go right up each one until I'm finished with one side, and then I'll start with the other. Okay, now I'll go ahead and lock down the D-ring. Coming to the right side, take the shoulder strap, keeper strap goes over, and just repeat the process. I'll take the pneumatic hoses. These will feed down through the keeper straps. Keeps everything streamlined. I'll go ahead and feed that to the top D-ring. Same thing with the high pressure gauge. I'll just feed it right along the shoulder straps. Just like so. Coming over to the left side, some of our customers like to go ahead and use shock cord to keep these 2 assemblies together. That makes it very convenient for the diver to locate and access if they have to. The last thing I'll do is I'll go ahead, I'll connect up the low pressure inflator hose to the BC, and on the Manta you have a keeper on the left and the right side. to secure any accessories. Connect up the two hoses to the counterlung. These hoses are the gas feed lines. I'll go ahead and screw those on. I'll put those on finger tight. There are flats on these connectors here. You can put a tool to those. If you put a tool to it, you'll put it on there semi-permanent, and then you can always unscrew this and have these elbows here as part of your pneumatic assembly. Important note you have to know is ensure that nothing compresses down on the counterlung itself to impede the expansion on the exhalation phase. These two hoses here should have adequate loop put in between, so that way the counterlung can expand during the breathing cycle. You also do not want these keepers to be pulling down so tight that it pancakes out the bottom of the counterlung. If the counterlung is hard to breathe from on exhalation, then you have them too tight. It's supposed to be baggy and be able to breathe naturally. If you have any questions on the assembly of the Megalodon or the Manta lung, contact Interspace Systems Corporation. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.